Good morning and welcome to day 2 here at IPC Apex Expo. Yesterday was a really busy day, lots going on, and of course we had some fantastic traffic through the show. Today I'm joined, my first guest today is Todd Rountree.
Good morning, Trevor.
Good morning, nice to see you, Todd.
Nice to see you as well.
So you're president of Austin American. And of course you're well known in the market for making high quality batch cleaners and stencil cleaners, but recently you did a merger with AquaKleen systems.
That's correct. It's something we've been working on for quite some time, almost 3 years actually, but we were finally able to finalize it January 15th, legally I guess you would say, but
Right.
yeah, so we are now combined as one company.
Right. Well, it's an interesting marriage, if you like, because I mean AquaKleen is well known for their inline systems, so it's taking you into probably a different customer segment. I mean, I wouldn't imagine there's an awful lot of crossover between the customers.
So there is a little bit, but not terribly much. You know, obviously, like you said, the batch cleaners that we build, stencil cleaners, really didn't compete with the AquaKleen line as them only building conveyorized inline cleaners. But, you know, Austin American did build a few inline cleaners as well, probably not as well known in the marketplace, but so we had a little crossover there, but not too terribly much. You know, we were very impressed with the AquaKleen line of inline cleaners, and definitely one of the motivating reasons that why we wanted to get together with them.
Yeah, they're a fairly distinctive brand because they use this polycarbonate material to build their machines. Yes. Is that something that you're attracted to? Is that something that you would, you know, adopt across the rest of the range?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, one of the benefits from AquaKleen Systems is they actually do all their fabrication in-house. That was something that we never had that capability. That was, you know, another thing that attracted us to wanting to make this merger. So we would definitely like to use that skill, that ability, and work that into our batch cleaner line as well.
Right. Okay. So you're both working on two different sites, of course. How do you see that going forward? What are your plans for the company?
You know, Austin American has been in Texas for our 37 years we've been in business, and AquaKleen has been in California for their 16 years they've been in business. They've made a really big footprint here in California, and I think it would be amiss if we were to remove that from the equation. So for everything we've looked at so far, nothing's going to change business-wise. Everything from AquaKleen will still be built here in Anaheim, and then of course all of our equipment's still built in Texas.
And did you retain all of the staff that worked with them?
We did, yes, and actually looking to hire some more. So business is already on the uptick, and we're going to need some more employees soon. Good,
excellent. So it sounds like it's been a good move for you for sure.
Yes.
So what do you see coming for the future? You know, what's the sort of 5-year plan going forward?
I think the 5-year plan is very interesting. You know, Mike Schwager, the owner of AquaKleen Systems, is a great designer, engineer, so to speak, and he's got a ton of ideas. He just didn't have the time to actually go chase those ideas. Right. So hopefully with me kind of stepping in from a management side, managing the two businesses, we're going to allow him to actually be creative and go out and actually design some of those new things. That paired with Steve Statch, of course, is still involved with Austin American Technology. And,
is he?
Yeah, and he's still our chief technical officer, and he is just chomping at the bit to try to get in with Mike and have the two of them really kind of get together and design the best new things in cleaning today.
Yeah, that'll be an interesting pairing in itself.
Yes.
So yeah,
absolutely.
But certainly between both these guys, there's a lot of talent. So
yes.
That's good. Great. So congratulations, Todd. I'm excited for you, and I want to thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Appreciate the opportunity, and once again, thank you.
Imagine the competitive advantages of producing high mix and high volume PCB assembly on a single SMT line, running non-stop even during changeovers. It's available now from the only maker in the world providing mixed production SMT line solutions complete with full dual printing, SPI, pick and place, reflow, AOI and board handling machinery for different product dual lane processing in the smallest footprint possible. Make more PCB assemblies with less time, less space, less investment.